All right, friends, coming up tomorrow on NTV's Good Life. It was a simpler way in life in the 1800s, and every year, thousands of visitors come to this remake of century-old railroad town for a slice of the good life.
And this university professor takes on a view of life from comic books, studying how they have changed life and lives over the years for good and for bad. We're going to be talking with him, that and a lot more coming up on your Tuesday edition of NTV's Good Life. So make sure you tune in for that.
Might have a little magic involved as well.
Yes.
All right, we're in the kitchen with Alex Schwarz. We're learning to make a Cadbury cream egg dip. My goodness.
Yes. Excuse me, I ate a Cadbury cream egg during the break.
And it was good for you.
It was really good. I'm not prepared.
A little sweet. No, maybe you had a little bit too many coming over.
That was so I have my marshmallow fluff, my cream cheese, and my whipping cream. I'm just gonna get this nice and mixed. Actually, I'm gonna let you do this.
Okay.
It's a left-handed mixer. You're in luck, Carol.
All right.
Good.
Before we put these Cadbury cream eggs in that have been melted, I want to talk to you about how to melt the Cadbury cream eggs the best way. What I did is I just straight up put them into a microwave-safe container. You got to make sure you get all the little pieces of tinfoil off because you don't want metal in microwaves, not good. But I put it in 30-second increments, and then every time I popped it out, I just kind of would poke them just gently, because after the first 30 seconds, they had cracked open and they had started kind of losing all their gooey insides.
Okay.
But
there's four
just
eggs.
four of them there. So you want to make it so they get melted, but you don't want them to get to the point that they're just straight liquid, because then you don't want to burn the chocolate. So just 30-second increments, and once you get close, you can do 15 seconds without much trouble. All right, now I'm going to take my 4 melted Cadbury cream eggs into our stuff.
Ooh, gonna mix all that delicious sugar together. Good. Yummy.
All right, and while she's mixing that, we are going to take our dozen mini Cadbury eggs that have been crushed so magnificently. And
Dozen, give or take.
Good job,
Did
Ronnie.
we lose some?
I didn't eat any, but I don't know.
They look like they're all there.
It
to me.
smells delicious.
Yeah, you can really smell all that deliciousness. Good.
So you just use a half a thing of cream cheese.
Yep.
7 ounces of marshmallow fluff. 8 ounces of heavy extra whipping.
Creamy.
Okay.
Whipped topping.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know there was an extra
and then you melted
creamy
4 Cadbury eggs, and then you squished 12 mini Cadbury eggs.
Yes.
And now we're.
Blending it.
Do you need a knife there that actually can cut, or?
It
you
doesn't
like
need
this
to be
struggle?
pretty. Now, I have these are our dipping apples. So if you, ooh.
How do you turn
just
it off?
because it looks sharp doesn't mean it is sharp.
Because I think I just took the handles off. Wrong button.
Hey, you get to lick the beater.
All right.
There we go.
All right, now you're going to want to put this into either you can leave it in this container that we are using, or you can put it into a serving container, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to cover it with saran wrap, put it in the fridge for about for an hour to 2 hours.
You're chilling it then.
You're chilling it. You're just
Okay.
going to, because we did warm it up a lot with the Cadbury cream eggs that are melted and then some other stuff. Now, if you do put it in a container that you want to make it look fancy, you can take some of the extra Cadbury eggs, the full-size ones, crack them in half, and kind of set them in there and make them look nice and pretty. But I like using green apples for this because they're a little tartar.
Little Granny Smith action.
Yes,
then.
exactly.
Okay.
Because I would rather have a little bit of tartness, because this is a lot of sweetness in there. So you don't want necessarily to go with something that's going to be a really sweet apple. So I really like using the more tart kind of apple.
That's a huge apple there.
I know. They had
Alex.
jumbo apples at Hy-Vee, and I was really
guess.
excited. And another thing, you can also use graham crackers, because graham crackers are delightful. Would you like to try some?
I would love to.
They have graham crackers are also really good. And another thing that I think would be I haven't tried it yet because I kind of thought of this recently, is I want to try pretzels.
Ooh, I bet that would be good too.
Because add a little bit of saltness to it.
A little salt and sweet. Yeah, very
That
nice.
is delicious,
A
Alex.
perfect recipe for your Easter Day dinner.
I would eat this whole thing for dinner.
Awesome.
Just
Thank
saying.
you,
It's
Alex. We
delicious.
appreciate you
Thank
stopping
you.
by. Love it. Have a good day, everybody.